Hello again, and welcome to my creative African cooking channel, Ndudu by Fafa. Hello, beautiful people. Thank you again for tuning in for another experience with Fafa. And today is Keta School Boys, dried anchovies. I've got my sliced green peppers, onions. Of course, I've got my garlic, which is very good for our immune system. I've also got the red chili, habanero chili there, yes, and that would kick our metabolism. And I've also got my orange peppers. You can use your red peppers, not a problem. Now, to a frying pan, I've added my coconut oil. Now, you will notice that I've improvised in terms of the quantity of coconut oil that I have used here. Now, that is melted, and I'm adding half of my sliced onions. This is going to be on a high heat. Of course, it's a stir fry. We need things crunchy and things happening. And then I'm adding my anchovies. I did soak it slightly for about 5 minutes in lukewarm water, and it soaked the water up, and that's just perfect. So now I'm just going to, fry this, as you can tell, for about 2 to 3 minutes. So the coconut oil, the onions are just frying perfectly, and then I'm adding my habanero chili. That's just going to give it that kick. So if you've got any colds or anything, we're kicking that out. Next, I'm adding my sliced garlic pieces, as you can tell. Now, the garlic would help boost our immune system as well. Absolutely. Now, I do have my jollof stew that I have portioned. So I've left some in the fridge and others in the freezer. So here I am scooping 3 tablespoonfuls. As I said, everything has to go a long way. We rationing here, exactly. So this is a bish bash bosh, easy to make dish, but it's cost sensitive. So fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can add your green peppers, the rest of your onions, and also your orange peppers. You can use your red peppers, not a problem. And I'm just going to mix everything together till it's well combined. At this stage, I'm warming everything up. So an extra 2 minutes will do this fine. I don't want to overcook anything, but you will not believe what I serve this with. You have to come back tomorrow. Click the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet, and the notification button, so that each time I upload a video, you are notified of it. Now, with the dried anchovies, they are salty in their nature, so I haven't included salt here, but you can equally do so. As I mentioned, I've got a surprise for you coming up next, in my next video, that is. I'll leave the list of ingredients and measurements on my blog, ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter as Ndudu by Fafa, so do pass by and say hi. No, thank you very much for my theme song, and until my next video, kings and queens, please stay safe. I'm creating all these recipes for you. I just want you guys to eat well for me now. Me love you for you.